Hey everyone, today I've got a quick Windows 11 tutorial for you. We're going to be showing you how to pin this PC and recycle bin to the taskbar here at the bottom. And unfortunately, you can't just take your recycle bin and pin it there. It will not let you do it. So there's a little trick to doing this. Let's go ahead and find an open area here on our desktop, and we're going to right-click. The menu is going to come up and you'll see the new option here, and you should see the shortcut option here. You can go ahead and left-click on shortcut, and it's gonna allow you to create a shortcut now. I have a little document here, and I'll put all of this information in the description below, so you can just copy it. We're gonna copy the first line of code here. And again, that is in the description below, and we're gonna paste it in this area. We'll go ahead and hit next here, and it's gonna ask us to name our shortcut. So I'll just call it this PC. You can name it whatever you like, and then we'll just go ahead and hit finish, and it's gonna create a shortcut here on our desktop. And you might be saying, hey, that's the wrong icon. Well, let's go ahead and fix that. So we're gonna go ahead and right-click, and we're gonna go down to Properties, and it's gonna give us a little pop-up here, and you should see Change Icon. Type imageres.dll and click Enter, and see there's a bunch of icons here. You can choose whatever you like. Then we'll select this one and apply and OK. We can just right-click on the item, go down to show more options. You should have the pin to start here. Even easier, just go ahead and drag it down and drop it right there into your taskbar. Now this PC works well. You can see that. And let's go to Recycle Bin. As before, let's go ahead and find an open area here on our desktop, and we're gonna right-click, and you'll see the new option here, and hover over New, and you should see the shortcut option here. You can go ahead and left-click on Shortcut, and it's gonna allow you to create a shortcut now. Go to Document and just copy Recycle Bin address. I'm gonna paste it in this area. So I'll just hit Control and V, and we'll paste it in there. We'll go ahead and hit Next here, and it's gonna ask us to name our shortcut, so I'll just call it Recycle Bin. And if we left-click on that, it's gonna give us some icons that we can change it to now, but you won't see the Recycle Bin option in here. So we need to go back to that code again, copy the second line of code here. Copy and paste it, and we're gonna go ahead and hit OK. It's gonna give us a whole bunch of new icons that we can search through, so let's go ahead and have a look here. We should see the recycle bin right there at the top. You can go ahead and left-click on that. We'll hit OK, and then we'll go ahead and hit Apply, and it's gonna change that recycle bin to the correct logo. So now we can easily put the recycle bin on our taskbar down below. We can just right-click on the item, go down to show more options, and you should have the pin to start here. You could go ahead and left-click on that, or even easier, just go ahead and drag it down and drop it right there into your taskbar. It's really that simple to do. If you don't want this icon there anymore, you can just delete it, and that recycle bin will stay down at the bottom. So if this tutorial gave you value, if it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.